understand it. You know, they relate it to greenhouses in Europe and all that, but they don't relate it to what we have here. Sub-Saharan Africa has suffered so much from climate change, and Uganda. Of course, there have been a number of efforts to mitigate it, but we still have to put in more efforts. First of all, as government, and as public, but also members of the private sector. For example, Kasese, the landslides in Bududa, all these, but even the flooding in the city, all these effects of climate change. Then we look at the many cases of cancer and all that. All these women of ours are dying because they're cooking with this smoke and all this. So you can see that there are a lot of invisible effects or detrimental effects on the public. That sensitization has been minimal.